alert system. Please stand by.
SVR for Alabama. And you mocked Tennessee. Nice job. Oh, shoot, power flicker.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Calhoun County, northeastern Cleburne County, southeastern Cherokee County, and northeastern Alabama until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Piedmont to near Fort McClellan, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Anniston, Jacksonville, Piedmont, Fort McClellan, Fruithurst, Edwardsville, Muscadine, Pleasant Gap, Mars Hills, Sweetwater Lake, Coleman Lake and Campground, Spring Garden, Liberty Hill, Oak Level, and Borden Springs. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for northeastern and east central Alabama. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Calhoun, Cherokee, and Cleburne.